Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you all keeping fine? Very good. So, students, shall we start our class? Yes. In previous two classes, we were discussing about the chapter 4, Chulbul's Tale. Isn't it? Chapter 4, Chulbul's Tale. So, there we discussed about Chulbul, the squirrel, and the explanation portion we have completed. Now we can summarize both the classes in one, as we can say the summary of the story or summary of the Chulbul's tale. So students, what did we learn? We learned from the story that the Chulbul is a what kind of animal? Chulbul is a squirrel which is very naughty, isn't it? And what we have seen there, we saw that Chulbul realizes that her tail is too light. That means she can't even feel that. She thinks okay. She thinks that she can't even feel that, and she decides to change her tail. So for that, what it does, it goes to Dr. Bamboo, the bear. Who is doctor? The Dr. Bamboo is the bear is Dr. Bamboo. So Chulbul goes to Dr. Bamboo to changing her tail. Here you see the Dr. Bamboo, the bear. So he has a hospital. Okay. So there the Chulbul reaches, and when it enters to the Dr. Bamboo's cabin, he was not there. But Chulbul looked that there are some tails kept in the cupboard. So she started to look around and see things that which tail will be suitable for her, and she decided a tail of monkey that she wants to change instead of her own tail. So as the Dr. Bamboo comes to his cabin, the Chulbul jumped on the table and she asked him to change her tail, to put the tail of monkey. But here Dr. Bamboo, he tries to make to understand the Chulbul that her tail is the best. She should not change her tail. But Chulbul is stubborn. Stubborn, that once it has decided, it will go on for that unless her wish is completed. Naughty. So the Chulbul tells the Dr. Bamboo to change, initiates the Dr. Bamboo to change, and Dr. Bamboo agrees and puts the tail of monkey on Chulbul's tail instead of Chulbul's tail. And Chulbul is now very proud looking her tail. She manages to walk out from the hospital and she goes to her tree where the Chulbul remained. So after reaching there, Chulbul thinks that she will go up and she will rest for a while. Okay, so in this way Chulbul goes there and it tries to climb the tree, but she can't even climb an inch because the tail is too much heavy. Now she realizes that this tail is too much heavy to lift. So what she does? she goes and she thinks that she will change the tail of monkey, and she will ask the Dr. Bamboo to put the tail of kite, because the tail of kite would be lighter than monkey's tail. Okay, so she again goes to Dr. Bamboo, and again she requests Dr. Bamboo to change the tail of monkey and put the tail of kite. Okay, put the tail of kite. So the Dr. Bamboo agrees, and he also puts the tail of cat. Then when the cat's tail is put on her tail instead of monkey's tail, she thinks that this is lighter than previous one. Now I can manage with this, and she goes and she rests the. So after changing the tail of monkeys, she carries the tail of cat, and she goes near the tree and she rests for a while. And while resting, she fell asleep. And when she was sleeping behind the tree, her tail was visible. So the dogs came barking. They came barking towards the Chulbul, and she realizes that time that the dogs are thinking that I am a cat. So as the dogs were coming towards her, she woke up and she ran towards the hospital. As she ran, the dogs also chased her. They also ran after her, thinking that they are following the cat, but it was the Chulbul. Then they go behind the Chulbul. She ran as fast as she could, and she managed to reach the hospital, and she enters into the hospital directly. But the dogs, they stood outside of the hospital and they barked. They barked continuously. So when the Chulbul entered the hospital, Dr. Bamboo was there. She asked the Dr. Bamboo to change her tail. Instead of kite's tail, she asked to put her own tail. Why? Because she explains that the dogs are thinking that I am a cat and they are following me. They are chasing me. They are behind me. So the Dr. Bamboo, the teases Chulbul, saying that now you have come to your real senses. Okay, so this is the story. And when the Dr. Bamboo puts Chulbul's her own tail, she is very happy. Okay, then she sings a song also on her lips. My tail is the best, so furry and light, I can scamper all day and dance through the night. So this is the song which the Chulbul sang. Now Chulbul is happy. Okay. So students, this is the summary of the story. Then now we will do the exercises from your book. Okay, shall we start that? Okay, all of you turn to at page number 26. Okay, turn to page number 26. There the exercises are there. So students, have you turned to page number 36? All of you? Good. Come to page number 36. The exercises is A1. Complete these sentences. Exercise A1 complete these sentences. We will complete this sentence. Okay. So let us start the first one. Chulbul was little squirrel who was, which kind of the Chulbul was? Chulbul was naughty, isn't it? Chulbul was naughty. So first one, let us write Chulbul was naughty. Chulbul was naughty. Is it visible for you or not visible? Yes, not visible. Good. We'll see that how it can be visible for you. Naughty. Shall I write with the black pen or with the pencil? Naughty. Okay. First one is naughty. Chulbul was a little squirrel who was naughty. 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 Okay. Then question number 2. Let us move toward the second question. That is, sometimes she would blank and sometimes she would blank. So the answers you will find here. Come to the previous page, page number 32. Page number 32. Here you will see sometimes she would stand on her two little legs and sometimes she would chase birds. So this is sometimes she would stand on her two legs and sometimes she would chase birds. Okay. So shall I write here? Good. So sometimes she would stand, S-T-A, stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand on her legs. Two legs are given, but I am writing here stand on her leg. Stand on legs. And sometimes she would chase birds. Chase birds. Okay. Chase birds. Stand on her legs, then chase birds. Then number 3. She wanted blank because blank. She wanted blank because blank. So what did she want? What did she want? Yes, you know, already we have completed the chapters. What did she want? Anyone? Yes. So she wanted a new tail. 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 Okay. Then because why she wanted a new tail? Because she felt her tail was light. Because she felt her tail was light. L-I-G-H-T. Light means, here the means weight, not the tube light or bulb light. This is weight. Okay. Then number 4. Come to number 4. She went to blank to get blank. She went to change her tail. She went to whom? She went to Dr. Bambo, the bear She went to Dr. Bamboo to get new tail, isn't it? To get a new tail. To get a new tail. To get a new tail. Okay. Then, if the writings are not visible, you just listen the words I am saying, which I am saying. Okay. Then, after this, have you completed this? The first one is naughty. Second one is stand on her legs, then chase birds. Third is a new tail. And she felt her tail was light. Then number 4, Dr. Bamboo, a new tail. In the first, Dr. Bamboo, in the second area, a new tail. Okay, this is the exercise A1. Exercise A2, we will discuss it with the board. Okay, with the board. When I will be taking the class with the board, then I will then we will do that. Students, yes, now we will do the exercise number B. We will do the exercise number B. Okay, so here at page number 37, exercise B1. Okay, write 2 words that comes to your mind when you read these words. One has been done for you. Write 2 words that comes to your mind when you read these words. One has been done for you. Okay, so first one is airport. When we read this word airport, what comes to our mind? Immediately in our mind the plane comes, then the runway. Okay, then the second is wet. Second one is wet. Wet means, what is the meaning of wet? Wet is a person or the doctor who treats the animal. They are the vet. Okay, so the doctor, animals doctor, they are vet. So what comes into our mind? First in our mind comes the injection, isn't it? Then second, what comes to our mind? Treatment. Okay, treatment, injection and treatment. Is it visible or not visible? Shall I write in a paper so that you can note down that with a black pen? Okay, so that will be visible for you. So students, as we are discussing with the second, okay, second vet. Then what? Vet is animals doctor. Then in the second row you can write injection. Okay, then third, that is treatment. So second one is injection. Can you see it now? Okay, it is visible for you, isn't it? Then let us come to the third. Okay, so third is forest. Forest is very easy. When the forest word comes to our mind, what all things we see? We see forest. What are there in the forest? In the forest you see trees, isn't it? Then what? Leaves also. In the trees, leaves also. Then number 4. Number 4 is coat. What is the meaning of coat? Coat, you know, we wear it during the winter season. So that is coat. Coat gives us warm. Then coat is also long, longer than shirt, isn't it? Long. That is coat. Then number 5. Number 5 is reading glasses. Number 5 is reading glasses. Reading glasses. So when we talk about reading glasses, what we can read? We can read books. Then what else? We also know that about reading. Where do we read? We read school. School you can write, or you can write the notebooks also. Okay, so this is the exercise number B1 is completed. That means animals doctor, then forest coat and reading glasses. These 4 are there, and 2 of them we have done, isn't it? Then now come to the next. This is B2. Match the animals in column A to their homes in column B. Use the dictionary for help. If you do not know the meanings of these words, you can use the dictionary. Okay. So the first column, that is badger, mouse, beaver, eagle, crow, wolf, lodge, airy, nest, lair, hole, set in the column B. Okay, so shall we start? Badger, you know, badger is an animal with black and white line on its head. Badger is an animal with black and white line on its head that lives in hole and comes out during night underground. Okay, that is badger that comes during the night. Mouse, you already know the mouse. Then beaver is also an animal with brown fur, a wide flat tail and sharp teeth. The beaver has sharp teeth. Then eagle, you know, the bird. Crow also bird. Wolf, you know, wolf is the animal, the wild animal, wolf. Okay. Then lodge, already we know the meaning of lodge. Lodge where people stay in rent, that is lodge. But here the it is also the house of the home of animals also. Airy is a large nest. Then nest, lair is a place where the wild animal rest, where a wild animal hide, or where the wild animal sleep, that is lair. Then hole, you know, the hole into the ground. Then set is also a home of animal. So let us match it now. Okay, let us start. Badger will go, we will match with the set. Badger with the set. Okay, then the next is the mouse. Mouse live in hole. Then beaver lives in lodge. Okay, then eagle has large nest, that is airy. Then crow has nest. Then wolf is the wild animal where they can hide or they can sleep, that is lair. So this is the completion of your exercise B2. Okay, this is the completion of exercise B2. Match the animal in column A to their home in column B. Use the dictionary for help. If you do not know the word meanings of these words, you use the dictionary. Okay, so this exercise we have completed, and for your homework you find out the word meaning of these words and write in the homework copy. Badger, beaver, airy, lair and set. Okay, which are badger, beaver, airy, lair, set. These 5 word meanings you find out in the dictionary and write it down, the word with the meanings, okay, in your homework copy. Okay students, shall we conclude today's class? Okay, thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.